Now we're going to unbox the Master Overhaul Kit. With over 200 part numbers, Yukon Master Overhaul Kits are the most complete kits on the market, and you can rest assured it will be tailor-made for your specific application. As we open the box, you can see that all the components are press-boarded down. That's to keep them from rattling around during transit. So Yukon Master Overhaul Kits use almost exclusively Timken bearings and races. So your kit is going to come with your carrier bearings and races, your pinion bearing and races. So it'll come with a new pinion nut, and in applications where required, new pinion nut washer. It'll have a new pinion seal, and for front applications it'll also come with the axle seals. Come with a marking compound and brush to check your pattern. Say in applications where crush sleeves are used, it actually comes with two. In case you screw up on the first one, you got a backup. It'll also come with either a gasket or black RTV silicone for your cover. It'll have Loctite for your ring gear bolts, and it also come with a complete shim kit for your carrier and for your pinion. We hope you enjoyed this unboxing video of the Yukon Master Overhaul Kits. Be sure to visit yukongear.com or our YouTube channel for more unboxing videos or tech videos.